Your body has a waste disposal problem. Every day, billions of cells sustain damage they cannot repair. A healthy system eliminates them, but some refuse to die. They freeze in place, metabolically active and chemically hostile, and they multiply with every passing year. These are senescent cells. Scientists call them zombie cells, halted, undead, and dangerous. Before we dive into the data, a quick reminder. This information is for educational purposes and explores emerging research. It is not medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new protocol. They make up just 1 to 2% of your total cells, yet their influence is wildly disproportionate. Why? Because each one broadcasts a continuous storm of inflammatory proteins known as the Senescence-Associated Secretory phenotype, or SASP. This toxic cocktail, including IL-6 and TNF-alpha, corrodes the healthy tissue around them. In youth, your immune system's natural killer cells police this buildup. But as we age, clearance falls behind, leading to a phenomenon researchers call inflammaging. Senescent cells are not just a side effect of aging, they are a primary driver of it. To understand how to fight back, we look to the Senolytic revolution. This started at the Mayo Clinic in 2015 when researchers discovered that certain molecules could selectively clear these zombies without harming healthy cells. While the combination of dasatinib and quercetin was the first breakthrough, a 2018 landmark study found a natural clear winner. Fisetin. Found in small amounts in strawberries and apples, Fisetin was discovered to be the most potent flavonoid of all. In aged mice, it did not just extend the quantity of life, it restored tissue homeostasis and significantly improved health span. But you cannot simply eat enough strawberries to get these results. You need a targeted, science-backed protocol. Here's how the current research translates into a practical senolytic strategy. First, we use the hit-and-run model. You do not take Fisetin every day. Like a targeted strike, you take high intermittent doses over 2 consecutive days, followed by a long break of 4 to 8 weeks. This avoids the risks of chronic dosing while successfully triggering apoptosis in zombie cells. Second, the Mayo Clinic developed protocol uses a dose of 20 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. For a 150-pound adult, this is approximately 1,400 milligrams per day. Third, bioavailability is the critical hurdle. Fisetin is fat-soluble and notoriously difficult for the body to absorb in isolation. To maximize your results, you must take your dose with a high-fat meal. Think avocado, olive oil, or full-fat yogurt. Many longevity clinicians also recommend pairing it with quercetin to broaden the senolytic spectrum. Finally, remember that senolytics are the precision strike, but lifestyle is the maintenance. Resistance training, quality sleep, and time-restricted eating all work synergistically to suppress the accumulation of new senescent cells. By clearing the biological trash and supporting your cellular environment, you are not just slowing down aging, you are actively cleaning house. Full disclaimer. The information in this video is based on emerging clinical research and is intended for educational purposes only. It does not constitute medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Senolytic protocols involve potent biological interventions that are still in the investigational phase. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any new supplementation or longevity regimen. For the complete clinical protocol summary, dosing spreadsheets, and our lab-vetted sources, visit the Longevity Logic Labs Protocol Hub linked in the description below. We update this database in real time as new clinical data and purity batches are verified. Thank you for supporting evidence-based science. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest longevity logic.